Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. To support the fight against substance and drug abuse in municipalities, municipal councils work closely with Fiji Police Force and Ministry of Health and Medical Services. Mr. Speaker, sir, municipal councils use various mechanisms to assist police in its fight against substance and drug abuse. Recently, through the assistance of UN Women, a divisional meeting was organized between municipal market supervisors, Market Vendors Association, and Fiji Police Force. The reason for this meeting was in response to concerns raised by the Market Vendors Association on crime-related activities, including substance and drug activities. All 12 councils under Market for Change project have crime prevention committees formed, and the committees are empowered to promote crime-free municipal markets. Systems in place to promote the committee objective is that the committee meets regularly to discuss crime-free programs, reports to police force any suspected activities, and seeks police force participation in regular meetings for information and advice. All 12 municipal councils have police posts adjacent to the municipal markets, and after the formation of the crime prevention committees last year, the posts are now actively working around markets on issues of safety and security. Mr. Speaker, sir, municipal councils are also installing CCTV cameras in towns and cities. Suva City Council has installed 32 CCTV cameras at the municipal market, 13 CCTV cameras at Suva Bus Station, and 27 cameras at civic building areas. Suva City Council has also installed CCTV cameras at Maisuva Park. So Suva City Central Business District has CCTV linked to the Fiji Police Force. For Lautoka City Council has installed 15 CCTV cameras at the municipal market. In addition, like Suva City Council, the municipal market has a police post within the market area for safety and security. Nandi Municipal Market now has a police post. The redeveloped Namaka Police Market will have CCTV cameras. Singatoka Municipal Market has five CCTV cameras installed, and these are managed by the market master. Ba Municipal Market within 3 weeks will have 8 CCTV cameras installed. The new market, new Reki and Langere municipal markets will have CCTV cameras. This is the stand taken by the government that whenever we're going to develop our new bus stations and municipal markets, CCTV cameras will be part and parcel of that particular project. Nosuri Municipal Market currently has 5 CCTV cameras, and plans are in place to increase the number within these two areas, market and bus stand facility. Lambasa Town has 11 CCTV cameras installed within the town center, and these are managed by the Fiji Police Force. And work is in place to add more CCTV cameras in various towns and cities. Mr. Speaker, sir, that's all I have to say.
Thank you.